Back in the day, gambling had a smell. Cigarette smoke, cheap liquor, sweat on the dice, basements, alleyways, back rooms behind barbershops and bodegas. You didn't log in. You didn't verify your identity. You didn't wait for withdrawals. If you won, a man handed you cash. If you lost, the street collected. This was the early gambling den era. Dice games, three-card Monte shell games, bookies with notebooks and burners, street lotteries before the state took over the hustle. The edge wasn't data. The edge was information, intimidation, and muscle. Then the internet showed up, and the whole block went global. One of the first warning shots came from a man named William Sean Crichton, founder of Five Dime Sportsbook, American citizen, running an illegal online sportsbook from Costa Rica. He wasn't on a corner. He was behind servers, millions moving daily, NFL, NBA, college football, everything. Until 2018, Creighton gets kidnapped, held for ransom, then murdered. And that's when the industry realized online gambling wasn't just numbers anymore. It was blood money now. The streets didn't disappear, they just went digital. Then came the scientists. No guns, no threats, just math. Horolabos Bob Vulgaris. The man didn't guess. He calculated NBA player usage, rotation timing, ref tendencies, live betting inefficiencies. He beat sportsbooks so bad, casinos started limiting him. Then the twist. He goes legit, becomes part of NBA front offices, from better to executive, message loud and clear. If you can't beat the algorithm, hire it. Now enter the new school celebrity gambler, Mickey Mace. Private jets, designer fits, baccarat tables, TikTok fame, his whole brand. I'm banned for winning too much. Casinos freeze withdrawals, limit his action, shut down his play. He says, it's advantage play, legal edges, pattern exploitation. Casinos say, irregular betting, bonus abuse, syndicate behavior. The truth? When you win too consistently, you become bad for business. Online casinos don't ban losers, they ban threats. Here's the real hustle nobody tells players. Every online casino reserves the right to freeze accounts, void winnings, close your profile for any reason. They don't say you're beating us. They say integrity issues, unusual betting behavior, bonus irregularities. Translation, you cracked the house code. This is the era of clean crooks. No cheating, no hacking, just mastering the math and still getting erased. Now the story turns dark. This ain't Vegas. This ain't TikTok. This is international cybercrime warfare. Chen Ji, founder of Prince Holding Group, head of a transnational criminal organization. His operation, forced labor scam compounds in Southeast Asia, Cambodia, Myanmar, Laos, people trafficked, locked inside buildings, forced to run, crypto romance scams, investment scams, pig butchering schemes, fake online gambling platforms, all running 24 hours a day, AI-assisted scripted psychologically. Authorities claim over 15 billion in Bitcoin seized, over 140 shell companies sanctioned. Let that sink in. This isn't street gambling anymore. This is digital human trafficking powered by blockchain. Now enter the future, not slots, not roulette, not sports books. Prediction markets, platforms like Polymarket, let users bet on elections, court rulings, wars, crypto prices, AI development, government decisions. You're not betting on teams anymore. You're betting on reality itself. This is what Wall Street, intelligence agencies, and hedge funds watch, because Prediction markets often outperform polls. Crowd probability beats expert opinion. This is gambling merged with forecasting intelligence. The casino is now political, financial, global, algorithmic. Let's line it up then. Dice on concrete, bookies on corners, cash in brown bags, muscle collecting losses. Now AI odds engines, offshore crypto books, facial recognition, KYC withdrawal algorithms, prediction markets, blockchain laundering, social media, gambling stars, 24-hour global access. There is no closing time anymore. The gambling den never shuts down. It just changes time zones. New York sleeps, Dubai wakes up, Singapore takes over, Vegas reloads. The house is now digital, stateless, algorithmic, borderless. Back in the day, the street could only take what was in your pocket. Today, the internet can take what's in your bank, your crypto, your identity, and your soul. They tell you it's entertainment. They dress it up with apps, prediction markets, NFTs, VIP rooms, influencers. But the truth? The biggest casino in history is now inside your phone. And the new dealers don't wear suits. They wear code servers, algorithms, behavioral psychology, AI pattern trackers. You're not gambling against the house anymore. You're gambling against machines that learn you.